Welcome class 5. In this video, we will start exercise 8B. The first sum is find the HCF of 27 and 36. Here we follow the listing method. First we calculate the factors of 27 and 36. Factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27, and the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The common factors between these two factors are 1, 3 and 9, but 9 is the greatest number among these three. So the HCF is 9. Next sum. Sum number 2. Find the HCF of 82 and 104. First we have to find the factors of 82 and 104. The method is given in the previous video. If you have any problem to find the factor, then you can see the previous video. Factors of 82 are 2, 41 and 1. And factors of 104 are 2, 2, 2, 13 and 1. So the common factors between these two factors are 1 and 2. The highest common factor is 2, so the HCF is 2. Next sum. Sum number 3. Find the common factors of 20, 35 and 40. Find the HCF of 20, 35 and 40. So, again the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 4, 10, 20. The factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 5, 8, 20 and 40. So, the common factors of 20, 35 and 40 are 1 and 5. But the greatest number is 5. So, HCF is 5. Now, next sum. Sum number 4. Find the common factors of 45, 60 and 75. Find the HCF of 45, 60 and 75. So, first we have to find the factors of all these three numbers. Then the common factors of 45, 60 and 75 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The greatest number is 15. So, the HCF is 15. Now, the next sum. Sum number 5. Find the common factors of 18, 28, 46 and 58. Find the HCF of 18, 28, 46 and 58. So, first we find out all the factors. Then the common factors of 18, 28, 46, 58 are 1 and 2. Highest common factor is 2, therefore HCF is 2. Next sum. Sum number 6. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factor method. In this sum, we follow prime factor method. So, first we have to find the factors of 75 and 125 by prime factorized method. So, the factors of 75 are 3, 5, 5, 1 and the factors of 125 are 5, 5, 5, 1. So, we write here. Next, the common factors of 75 and 125 are 1, 5 and 5. So, the HCF is 5 into 5 into 1 equal to 25. If you have any confusion in prime factor method, please see the previous video. I have already explained the prime factor method in previous video. Next sum. Sum number 6B. Find the HCF of 24, 54 and 60 by prime factor method. First we find the factors using prime factorization, then we write it here. Next we have to find the common factors between these three lines. The common factors of 24, 54 and 60 are 2, 3 and 1. So, the HCF is 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. Next sum, 6C. Find the HCF of 63, 70 and 98. First we perform the prime factor method to find the factors. The factors of 63 are 3 into 3 into 7 into 1. Factors of 70 are 2 into 5 into 7 into 1, and factors of 98 are 2 into 7 into 7 into 1. Now the common factors between these three numbers are 7 and 1. So the HCF is 7 into 1 equal to 7. The next sum, 6D. HCF of 112, 210 and 252. First we perform the prime factorized method. The factors of 112 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. Factors of 210 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 1. Factors of 252 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 1. Now the common factors are 2, 7 and 1. So the HCF is 7 into 2 into 1 equal to 40. Next sum, 6E. Find the HCF of 27, 99 and 144. First perform the prime factorized method. So the factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Factors of 99 are 3 into 11 into 3 into 1. Factors of 144 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. So the common factors are 1, 3, 3. Therefore, the HCF is 3 into 3 into 1 equal to 9. 6F. Find the HCF of 175, 250 and 300. First we do the prime factorized method. Factors of 175 are 5 into 5 into 7 into 1. Factors of 250 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 1. Factors of 300 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. So the common factors are 5, 5, 1. Therefore, the HCF is 5 into 5 into 1 equal to 25. 6G. HCF of 144, 256 and 216. First we have to find the factors by prime factor method. So the factors of 144 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Factors of 256 are 2 into 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 1. And factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. So the common factors are 2, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 equal to 8. 6H. Find the HCF of 104, 128 and 176. First we have to find the factor by prime factor method. The factors of 104 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 into 1. Factors of 128 are 2 into 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 1. And factors of 176 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 1. So the common factors are 2, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 equal to 8. Sum number 6I. Find the HCF of 160, 180 and 2000. Again we have to find the factors of these three numbers by prime factor method. So the factors of 160 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Factors of 180 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 1, and the factors of 2000 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 1. So, the common factors are 2, 2, 5, 1. Therefore, the HCF is 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 equal to 20. The common factors are 2, 2, 5, 1. Therefore, the HCF is 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 equal to 20. Number 7a. Find the HCF of the following numbers by using division method. So, we have to use division method here to calculate the HCF. First sum 7a. Find the HCF of 112 and 189. Here 112 is smaller than 189. So, we divide 189 by 112. 112 ones are 112. After subtracting we get 77, which is smaller than 112. So, we divide 112 by 77. 77 ones are 77. After subtracting we get 35. 35 is smaller than 77. So, we divide 77 by 35. 35 twos are 70. After subtracting we get 7. 7 is smaller than 35. So, we divide 35 by 7. 7 5s are 35. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, the final divisor, that is 7, is the HCF. Next sum 7b. Find the HCF of 34, 51 and 85. First we consider first two numbers 34 and 51. 34 is smaller than 51, so we divide 51 by 34. 34 ones are 34, remainder is 17, which is smaller than 34. So, we divide 34 by 17, 17 twos are 34, here we get 0 as remainder. So, in these two numbers, the final divisor is 17. So, the HCF of 34 and 51 is 17. Now, we consider this 17 and 85. If we compare these two numbers, then 17 is smaller than 85. So, we divide 85 by 17. 17 5s are 85. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, the final divisor is 17. Therefore, the HCF of 17 and 85 is 17. So, the final HCF of these three numbers is 17. Now, the next sum. Sum number 7c. Find the HCF of 95, 152 and 190. First, we consider the first two numbers 95 and 152. Between these two numbers, 95 is smaller than 152. So, we start dividing 152 by 95. 95 ones are 95. After subtracting we get 57 as remainder. So, we perform next step by dividing 95 with 57. 57 ones are 57. After subtracting we get 38 as remainder. 38 is less than 57. So, we divide 57 by 38. 38 ones are 38. After subtracting we get 19 as remainder. 19 is smaller than 38. So, we divide 38 by 19. 19 twos are 38. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, we stop the division. The final divisor is 19. Therefore, the HCF of 95 and 152 is 19. Now, we perform the next step by considering 19 and 190. Between these two numbers 19 and 190, 19 is smaller. So, we start dividing 190 by 19. 19 ones are 19 and we put the 0 here. So, our final divisor is 19. Therefore, the HCF of 19 and 190 is 19. So, the final HCF of these three numbers is 19. Now, the next sum. Sum number 7D. Find the HCF of 650, 900 and 1000. First, we consider the first two numbers, that are 650 and 900. 650 is smaller than 900. So, we start dividing 900 by 650. 650 ones are 650. After subtracting, we get 250 here. 250 is less than 650. So, we divide 650 by 250. 252s are 500. After subtracting, we get 150 as remainder. 150 is smaller than 250. So, we divide 250 by 150. 150 ones are 150. After subtracting, we get 100, which is smaller than 150. So, we divide 150 by 100. 100 ones are 100. After subtracting, we get 50. 50 is smaller than 100. So, we divide 100 by 50. 52s are 100. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, we stop the division. The HCF of 650 and 900 is 50. Now, the second step. We consider this 50 and 1000. If we compare these two numbers, 50 and 1000, 50 is less than 1000. So, we divide 1000 by 50. 50 20s are 1000. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, the final divisor is 50. Therefore, the HCF of 50 and 1000 is 50. So, the HCF of three numbers 650, 900 and 1000 is 50. Now, the next sum. Sum number 7E. Find the HCF of 690, 966 and 1150. First, we consider 690 and 966. 690 is smaller. So, we divide 966 by 690. 690 ones are 690. After subtracting, we get 276 as remainder, which is smaller than this number. So, we divide 690 by 276. 276 twos are 552. After subtracting, we get 138, which is smaller than 276. So, we divide 276 by 138. 138 twos are 276. Here we get 0 as remainder. So, our final divisor is 138. Therefore, the HCF of 690 and 966 is 138. Now, the next step. Now, we consider that 138, the HCF of previous two numbers and this 1150. Between these two numbers, 138 is smaller. So, we divide 1150 by 138. 138 8s are 1104. After subtracting, we get 46, which is smaller than 138. So, we divide 138 by 46. 46 3s are 138. We get 0 as remainder here. So, we stop the division. Our final divisor is 46. Therefore, the HCF of 138 and 1150 is 46. So, the HCF of three numbers 690, 966 and 1150 is 46. If you face any problem to understand the division method, please see the previous video. In the previous video, I have completely explained the division method. Now the next sum. Sum number 7F. Find the HCF of 738, 1080 and 1332. First we consider 738 and 1080. 738 is smaller, so we divide 1080 by 738. 738 ones are 738. After subtracting we get 342, which is smaller than 738. So we divide 738 by 342. 342 twos are 684. After subtracting we get 54, which is smaller than 342. So we divide 342 by 54. 54 6 are 324. After subtracting we get 18, which is smaller than 54. So we divide 54 by 18. 18 3s are 54. Here we get 0 as remainder. So we stop the division. Therefore our final divisor is 18. So the HCF of 738 and 1080 is 18. Now we consider 18 and 1332. Between these two numbers 18 is smaller, so we divide 1332 by 18. 18 sevens are 126. After subtracting we get 7. We write this 2 here. Then we get 72. 18 fours are 72. Here we get 0 as remainder. So our final divisor is 18. Therefore the HCF of 18 and 1332 is 18. So the HCF of these three numbers is 18. Sum number 7G. Find the HCF of 1350, 1530 and 1650. First we consider 1350 and 1530. 1350 is the smaller number, so we start dividing by 1350. 1350 ones are 1350. After subtracting we get 180 as remainder, which is smaller than 1350. So we divide 1350 by 180. 187s are 1260. After subtracting we get 90, which is smaller than 180. Therefore we divide 180 by 90. 92s are 180. Here we get 0 as remainder, so we stop the division. Our final divisor is 90. Therefore the HCF of 1350 and 1530 is 90. Now the next step. Now we consider this 90 and 1650. 90 is the smaller number, so we divide 1650 by 90. 90 ones are 90. After subtracting we get 75 as remainder. We put the 0 here. Finally we get 750. Then again 98s are 720. After subtracting we get 30, which is smaller than 90. So we divide 90 by 30. 33s are 90. Here we get 0 as remainder. Therefore we stop the division. Therefore the HCF of 90 and 1650 is 30. So finally the HCF of 1350, 1530 and 1650 is 30. Now the next sum. 7H. Find the HCF of 441, 630 and 945. First we consider the first two numbers. 441 is smaller, so we divide 630 by 441. 441 ones are 441. After subtracting we get 189, which is smaller than 441. So, we divide 441 by 189. 189 twos are 378. After subtracting, we get 63, which is smaller than 189. So, we divide 189 by 63. 63 threes are 189. Here we get 0 as remainder, so we stop the division. Our final divisor is 63. Therefore, the HCF of 441 and 630 is 63. Now, the next step. Now, we consider 63 and 945. Between these two numbers, 63 is smaller. So, we divide 945 by 63. 63 ones are 63. After subtracting, we get 31. We put this 5 here. Finally, we get 315. Again, 63 5s are 315. So, we get 0 here. Our final divisor is 63. Therefore, HCF of 63 and 945 is 63. So, the final HCF of the three numbers is 63. That's all in this video. In the next video, we will start exercise 8C. Bye.